So today I'm talking about a GM with the P1125 code, what it is and how you can go about fixing it. And so what is a GM P1125 code? Well, it's an Accelerator Pedal Position app system. And so what does this mean? Well, when throttle bodies were first introduced, they used to have a cable that would go down to the gas pedal, and when the gas pedal was pressed, it would pull up at the throttle body and open up this throttle body plate that's inside of here, which would let more air go into the engine, and depending how much the pedal was pressed, would control the amount of air that's going into the engine. But on most newer vehicles, they got rid of that cable and they replaced it with this electronic throttle control system. And the way this works is that there's going to be a sensor down on the gas pedal that's called the Accelerator Pedal Position sensor. And it's just reporting back to a computer how much the gas pedal's been pressed. When there's going to be a computer that's controlling this whole system, it can be called the Throttle Actuator Control module, or it could be controlled by the main computer, the PCM or the ECM. But there will be a computer that's controlling the whole system. Located on the throttle body is going to be a small little DC motor that's being controlled by the computer to open up that little plate that's inside of there. There's also going to be a throttle body position sensor that's just reporting back to the computer how open that plate is and if it's inside the right position. So that's a real basic overview of what's going on inside the system. If you do go to work on a GM that has this code, it's always a good idea to get a diagram for that specific vehicle. That way you know for sure what's going on. And so what would be some possible causes of a GM with the P1125 code? Well, the most common thing that's going to cause this is either that pedal position sensor's gone bad and needs to be replaced, or the wiring going to it. Keep in mind that if there's any kind of wiring problem, like an open, a short, a bad fuse, anything along those lines, then that's going to have the same symptoms as a bad sensor. So it's a good idea to go check the fuses and be sure those are good. How the fuse is labeled and where it's located is going to depend on the vehicle. But for example, here's a 2010 Chevy Silverado, and the fuse to go and check for this truck would be fuse number 5, ECM throttle control. You can also go and get wiring schematics for that particular vehicle and go and check and be sure you got the right voltage going to it, you got a good ground, that all the wiring is good. Of course, that sensor might have just gone bad and just need to be replaced. They're usually fairly easy to replace. They are going to be up underneath the dashboard, so sometimes it can be kind of difficult to get into small spots. But that pedal position sensor might have just gone bad and just need to be replaced. And the last thing on the list is going to be a bad computer. And this could be a dedicated computer called a Throttle Actuator Control module. Or on some vehicles, it could be built into the engine control module or the powertrain control module. It's really going to vary. One thing to mention is that if you do think you have a bad computer, be sure that the battery is good. Be sure that the terminal connections, that they all look like they're good. There's no corrosion or anything like this. You can even check the alternator output and be sure that's correct. Because all these computers, they all need a good, stable power supply, or that can throw them off and just cause them to give codes and different things like this. But the last thing on the list is going to be a bad computer. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a GM with the P1125 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.